Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to add text on Pinterest pins. Here's a step guide to add text on Pinterest pins using the Pinterest app. First, unlock your mobile phone and connect to the Wi-Fi. Open the Pinterest app from your home screen or app drawer. Make sure to log in with your Pinterest account if you aren't already signed in. On the bottom menu or top menu, tap the plus or create button. Choose pin from the options that appear. Then make sure to allow permission if prompted. Select a photo or video from your gallery that you want to use for your pin. Then hit next. Tap the pencil or edit icon to customize your pin. Look for the text option, the A icon, on the edit toolbar. Tap it, then type your desired text, like title, description, or message. Adjust the font style by tapping the drop down menu and tap to choose your preferred font. Adjust size by pinching outwards and choosing the color using the options provided. To save changes, tap on the empty space, drag and position the text where you want it on your image. Once satisfied, tap Done to save your text placement. Add a title, description, and destination link, optional for your pin. Choose a board, then hit Create. Your pin with the text will now be published. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.